welcome! We are Cats in Camo here today with the Taurus M85.
We're looking at a little gun.
Teeny tiny.
A snub-nose revolver. No, it refers to this part. Now you get to talk about that. This is actually a little carry gun. Something easy to stash in your purse if you carry one. I don't anymore. I get laughed at enough. This is chambered in .38 Special. It will not shoot .357 Magnum through it. Don't make that mistake. This is a little .38 Special. It will shoot plus P ammo, but it holds 5, and it weighs 22.2 ounces.
The barrel length of this gun comes out to 2 inches even, where the total length comes out to 6.5 inches. The width of the gun is 1.346 inches. The height of the gun then comes out to 4.28 inches.
We should look at it closer. That's not what I meant.
Oh my gosh, this is small. I don't know if it's the smallest one I've seen, but it's definitely tiny. It's a cute little revolver. Look at that. It's got decent, whoa. That is tiny grips. I mean, they're comfortable, but they're just tiny. Okay. Well, with revolvers, there's really not much to them. I mean, it's tiny, and it's kind of cute. And I shot tiny guns before. Let's see. Okay, so right here, you got your cylinder or whatever. Okay, you got to push it out. Okay, sometimes it pops out, but this one you have to push the button and then pop it out. And that's about all there is to it, I guess. You can roll that a little bit. Make sure it locks into place. I'm not going to try to cock it and uncock it because that just seems stupid. But one of the cool things I found out about this gun is you can, for lack of a better term, customize it however you want to. Not only can you change out the grips to pretty much any color you want, including like pink to green to black or brown, and then even the barrel you can actually have different colors. You can have black, you can have gold, you can have a silver looking one. At least that's what the pictures that I found look like. Maybe they're lying to me, maybe it's Photoshop, but I thought it looked cool. So we're gonna let Dan take it apart, I guess, and then we'll go out into the range and shoot it.
Revolver is easy to take apart. There's a lever on the left-hand side of the frame. It pushes forwards towards the cylinder, and you push the cylinder from right to left, and it just swings out and turns. Make sure when you clean it, push this lever that lets you eject the spent casings, but you want to get in there and clean the brush. And aside from that, that's the disassembly for your Taurus. Ta-da! Push it back together. Go with a positive click. Now you notice that's still, it kind of wiggled back and forth. I highly recommend anytime you're reloading a revolver, when you close it, rotate it. Turn the cylinder in your hand until it clicks into place. Otherwise, if it's not lined up when you go to pull the trigger sometimes, it's not going to fire. So there you have it. Easy, simple. Ta-da! Push it forwards. We're going to be shooting 5 rounds, since that's what it holds, at 7 yards. So if you see the big torso hanging, if you see the big silhouette hanging behind us, the blue one, Allie gets the body. I'm only interested in its mind. So we'll let her shoot first. She'll do 5 in the torso, and then I'll try to put 5 in its head, just to make sure. Loaded. My turn at 7 yards. Headshots. Snub-nose revolvers, probably not your best choice for the zombie apocalypse where you have to put the shot in the head, but we're going to see how we do.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed this video, point those crosshairs at the like button down below, and make sure to stay tuned for part 2, coming later this week. See ya then.